What if your biggest excuse for not making money online was just eliminated by a free AI tool? No skills needed, no experience, no investment. Here are 5 ways AI makes money for complete beginners. The number one reason people do not make money online: I don't have the right skills. No design skills, no writing skills, no tech skills, no marketing skills, no video skills. I hear it constantly, and in 2026, it is no longer a valid excuse. Because free AI tools have replaced every single one of those skills. Today I am showing you 5 income methods where AI does the skilled work, and you collect the payment. Every method is free to start. Every method works for complete beginners, and every method is working for real people right now. Let's go. Method 1. AI freelance writing. The skill you think you need, writing ability. The reality, Claude writes. You edit, you deliver. Here is the exact process. Go to Fiverr or Upwork. Create a free account. List a gig. I will write SEO blog post for your business. Price it at $50 for 1,000 words. A client orders. They give you the topic and keywords. You open Claude. Type this prompt. Write a 1,000-word SEO blog post about topic. Include keywords. Make it engaging and informative. Target audiences. Describe their customer. Claude delivers a complete draft in 45 seconds. You read it. Make minor edits. Add any client-specific details. Deliver it. Get paid $50. Do that 5 times a week. $250. Do it 10 times. $500. Do it 20 times. $1,000. The writing skill was never yours. It was Claude's. You just managed the process and kept the money method too. AI graphic design without design skills. Thousands of YouTube creators, bloggers, and business owners need thumbnails, social media graphics, and logos every week. Most of them hate designing. Most of them are bad at it. They will pay someone else to do it. That someone can be you, using Canva AI for free. Go to Fiverr. Search YouTube thumbnail design. Top sellers charge $10 to $50 per thumbnail. Your process: client sends you the video title and style preference. You open Canva, use their AI tools to generate the base design. Customize colors, fonts, and text to match their brand. Deliver in 1 hour. Collect $10 to $50. 10 thumbnails per week. $100 to $500. All designed using a free tool that requires zero skill. The design skill was never yours. It was Canva's. You just managed the brief and kept the money. Method 3. Faceless YouTube. No camera, no microphone, no face, no presenting skills. 11 Labs provides the voice. Claude provides the script. CapCut provides the editing. Pexels provides the footage. Canva provides the thumbnail. You provide the idea and the upload button. Finance and AI channels earn $15 to $50 per 1,000 views from advertisers. At 50,000 views per month, that is $750 to $2,500 just from AdSense, before affiliates or sponsorships. Add affiliate links to every description. 11 Labs pays 22% recurring commission. Notion pays $10 per sign-up. Canva pays up to $36 per sign-up. One channel. Multiple income streams. Zero on-camera skills. The presenting skill was never yours. It was 11 Labs. You just provided the strategy and kept the money method. 4. Selling Notion templates. No coding skills, no design degree, no marketing experience. Claude builds the template structure. Notion hosts it beautifully. Gumroad sells it automatically. Your YouTube channel drives the traffic. Popular templates that sell consistently. Budget trackers, $9 to $15. Everyone needs one. Content calendars, $12 to $19. Every creator needs one. Build 4 templates over 4 weekends. List all 4 on Gumroad. If each sells just 1 copy per day, at an average price of $12, that is $48 per day, $1,440 per month, from 4 templates, built using Claude and Notion, both completely free. The product creation skill was never yours, it was Claude's. You just packaged it and kept the money. Method 5. Social media management using AI. Every local business needs a social media presence. Most have no time and no idea how to create content. You become their solution. Using free AI tools, your service, 3 posts per week on Instagram or Facebook, your price $200 to $500 per month per client. Your tools, Claude for captions, Canva AI for graphics, both free, time per client per week, 2 to 3 hours maximum. Sign 3 clients, $600 to $1,500 per month, part-time. Sign 5 clients, $1,000 to $2,500 per month, still part-time. Sign 10 clients, $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Walk into local businesses. Restaurant, salon, gym, boutique, estate agent. Say this exact line. I help local businesses grow on social media using AI tools. My first month is half price so you can see the results. Can I show you what I would do for your account? That line gets meetings. Meetings get clients. Clients get paid. The content creation skill was never yours. It was Claude and Canva's. You just sold the service and kept the money. 5 income methods, 0 skills required. Every single one powered by free AI tools. The excuse of not having skills is officially gone. AI has handed you the skills. The only question now is whether you use them. Every tool mentioned is linked in the description below. All free. Start tonight. Subscribe for daily videos. I will see you there.